Hello crafters, this is Suzanne for Cat Scrappiness, and I am here with some examples of some wonderful new dies, layering stamps, even a stencil at Cat Scrappiness, the Cat Scrappiness new release. Oh, it's an extensive release featuring all sorts of goodies. Look for the details below and the names of each item below. Alrighty, let's start off with this Happy Summer release. Let's get started. So first up, the Happy Summer is a word die set from Kat. I think she released it last year. Every summer, pull up this title. Really good size for any project. This paper in the background that you see is 6 by 8 inch pattern paper pack called Summer Vibes. You get 12 designs, 2 of each. Comes with all of these wonderful designs. I have been using it, as you can see. In that paper pack is this hibiscus set, super duper cute. Also here I put some of Kat's gems, and this frame, oh, love the frame. That frame is the lattice. 2 new dies from Kat, mini slimline lattice die and the A2 lattice die. Fabulous, fabulous, fabulous. Love this cutout detail, and also has that stitched edge. Makes great for frames. In this instance, I recessed it, popped up the edge here with some foam, if you can see that. Super duper cute. Here, let me show you another example, and loving this paper pack. I did a card for the Ukraine, so we have it landscape and portrait. There we go, on a 110-pound cardstock. Sending my love. This is also one of Cat Scrappiness word die. That is the Ukraine paper, Ukraine Strong, also recently released. Also, I still love this set so much. I did another one. Here we have fun. Here we have more serious here. This is with Kat's stitched foliage die. I also used the lattice mini slimline die and made this card featuring this super cute summer quokka stamp set. Great for all your summer projects. I've used this a couple of times. I even used it on a Father's Day card. Summer quokka stamp set. We have the female quokka, the male quokka here with his drink, and then the one with the surfboard. And I also have the matching dies here and little extras for myself to color. Super cute. So here's the Summer Vibes paper pack. Stitched foliage die here and the summer quokka. And on the drinks here, that is glossy accents, just to add a little bit of dimension to the drinks. I think it's kind of cute. I have glossy accents here, here, and even here. Alrighty crafters, so definitely check out the lattice frame dies, A2 and mini slimline. Okay, moving on. And also in this release, Kat has her wavy nesting dies. Oh, this is fabulous. You get 7 dies here in this nested set, starting from your A2 size, coming on in. A2 is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 inch tall. My first example, I made this cute little top folding A2 card. See how the A2 goes all the way out there with the frame? Super duper cute. This is another sheet of paper from the Summer Vibes paper pack. And this is an older Cat Scrappiness word die, but oh, she's timeless and she's fun. I love this die. This is the Hooray die. Comes with the shadow and the word hooray. 4 inches wide, 1 1/2 inch tall for this excellent word die. Hooray, that can be for any occasion too. I love it. I did a colorway to kind of match the pineapples. I was having fun with this one. And I popped it up on some foam here. And also finished it off with some of Kat's wonderful gems. Next example, I made a Happy Summer card, shaker. So what I did in this example, I took the frame, the largest frame, and not the second one, the third one in to create this border. And then I put foam on it. I don't even think you can see the foam. See how recessed it is? You can't even see the layer of foam. I used some foam here, just strips of foam. 1/8 of an inch wide, 1/4 of an inch. If you wanted to use a 1/4 of an inch, you'd have to go maybe a little bit deeper, get a thicker frame. Options. You always get options with nesting die sets. So here I did the Happy Summer in this sort of a gray, pink. I don't know. I think it's a fun colorway. I'm exploring new colorways. I'm having fun with them. Happy Summer. Hooray. Okay, crafters, so in summary, I've only shown you some of the new items in this awesome new release at Cat Scrappiness. The stitch foliage, the wavy A2 frame die, the A2 lattice, and the mini slimline lattice die. Just check out the whole release. I will put links below, and you can take a look at the entire release itself, from the paper pack coming into the dies and also the stamps. Even a new word die, Happy Father's Day, and there's also God bless you. Alrighty, crafters, until the next video, check out Cat's awesome new release. Bye.